The global pandemic of 2020 has forced the business to rethink the way they work. Suddenly, almost all their workforce are operating from home, putting at risk the basic mantra for organizational success, which is collaboration amongst its workforce. Every business, small or big, is driven by its people, and tasks get done by a team of people. While technology is an enabler for people, it is the people themselves that collectively contribute to the success of a business. During the pandemic, people could no longer meet face to face to brainstorm and share ideas. The management was finding it challenging to get its message across to its own people. And everybody across the board was missing the human as well as the humane touch. To ensure that collaboration between people happens successfully in a virtual environment, it is critical for business to arm its people with the right technology that lets them continue their work in the most disruption-free manner. Today, most corporate employees are working on their personal devices, mostly from home internet. These internet systems was not primarily built with enterprise-grade data security in mind. Also, to ensure seamless productivity, business need to ensure that the screen and experience should be the one that was used in the original workspace setup. Overnight, the IT has to mitigate these challenges. Extrapolating these challenges in the area of collaboration, business are finding that three things: user experience, scale and reach, and flexibility are of supreme importance in the new improved normal. As business focus on resiliency rather than survival, reimagining collaboration is paramount. For CIOs, there are a bunch of questions that need to be addressed sooner than later. The main one is to identify the right collaboration solution with the best experience. This drills down to minute considerations like having the ability to switch between message, voice, and video. Say a virtual whiteboard is created. Can it be accessed on demand? Is the user able to view the same content irrespective of the screen size and device configurations? Questions like these go a long way in eliminating investment in tools that may not be optimal in the long run. Secure storage of meeting data and its real-time retrieval by the right personnel also goes a long way in making seamless and flexible collaboration solution purchase. At the recent WebEx One conference, Cisco announced 50 new innovations and features in the areas of intelligent customer experience, seamless collaborations, besides smart hybrid work experiences. The new features range from noise cancellation and speech enhancements innovations, real-time translations, along with competencies around closed captions and transcriptions, enhanced video layouts, real-time action items, a new component called WebEx Huddle that allows ad hoc meetings in a single click. Besides, AI for messaging are better actionable insights. While the WebEx collaboration suite is seeing innovative additions, many of the new features are aimed at helping the world move to a virtual and hybrid workspace model, which many believe is the future of collaboration.